This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete Twitch account permanently. So if you want to delete your Twitch account, follow this easy step-by-step guide. First of all, open twitch.tv and make sure to log into your account. Then click on your profile and click on settings. Scroll down and here you will find this option, disable your Twitch accounts. You have to click on disable account and then don't do anything, just click on the URL bar and here replace this disable text with delete, then hit enter and then you will jump into the Twitch account deletion page. As you can see, the delete account page opened now, and here make sure your Twitch account add date, tell us why you are deleting your account. It's optional. Then all you have to do is just click on delete account and your Twitch account will be permanently deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.